Hello, I'm here to present you the mic messenger. This is the mic messenger bag. It is crafted from premium quality full grain leather. In the front, you will find a magnetic pocket, a zipper pocket, an adjustable strap. On the reverse side, there is a slip pocket. When you open the main compartment, you will find a slip pocket in front and a zipper pocket at the back. The mic messenger bag has a very timeless design. Thank you for watching. I'll leave the link in the description below. Please do share it with your friends who would be interested in this kind of bag. Thank you. Have a lovely day.